Jai Jinendra, dignitaries, friends, ladies and gentlemen. I stand before you to make some special announcements today. We at Jito Chennai chapter strongly believe that as a fraternity, we are more blessed and endowed than quite a few fellow brethren. And it is our duty to ensure that we give back to the society. Though multidimensional in nature, we have decided to take up a direction-based, focused approach with some very specific initiatives to ensure social and economic empowerment with a special attention to women, students, and entrepreneurs. The stated purpose of the schemes shall be to serve, uplift, and empower the Jain community at large and deliver value propositions to the community in a bid to connect them to a movement called Jito. With a lot of happiness and an immense amount of pride, I'm glad to announce the launch of Jito Prayas. Jito Prayas, because it's an effort to enrich, because it's an attempt at giving back to the society, because it's an endeavor to deliver benefits to the community, because it's a pursuit at upliftment, because it's striving to empower. We are looking to deliver continuous, consistent, and concrete benefits which shall make a long-term difference to the lives of the people and in effect bring about substantial, qualitative, and positive change to our community. I'm now pleased to present a brief on the schemes we propose to launch under this initiative. As informed by my chairman, Sri Narendra Shishimal, I'm giving you a very small outlook of the schemes we are launching. Jito Shagun, a scheme which intends to promote weddings, complete in all respects, yet on a very simple scale, making it a day affair and in line with the Jain principles. And to bring about economies of scale, we propose that we shall make the package available at a sum of just rupees 1,08,000. That's for both the bride and groom sides put together. Both sides put together will need to contribute 1,08,000 and Jito will take care of the whole event. Next, Jito Utsa scheme aims to promote home-based women entrepreneurs. We propose to provide them with the necessary infrastructure, raw material, packaging equipments, packing materials, initial working capital, a good working environment, and an ecosystem to promote their products. Marketing support also will be provided, and we will plan to sell these products with a co-branding of Jito. So this Jito Utsa is aimed at women empowerment. Next in line is Jito Pragati. The scheme aims at training, developing, creating, and growing entrepreneurs. There are a lot of people who are interested in becoming entrepreneurs never get a platform and an opportunity to do so. We propose to identify such interested individuals or group of persons, train them in a particular line of activity. Training them will be under the mentorship of Jito members. We already have a few commitments in hand. We'll follow it up with the necessary support required to continue their business and to develop entrepreneurs and create a business ecosystem. This is Jito Pragati for you, ladies and gentlemen. Jito Gyan, a scheme for the economically weaker and meritorious school and college students. We intend to assist them with providing them the necessary tuition fees in the quantum possible and deemed fit with a view to lay the foundation for a stronger tomorrow. These would be the 4 initiatives we propose to begin with, but we're not going to limit ourselves to these. This is only a beginning. And as we go along with your blessings and support, we would possibly be able to add a few more to this, few more dimensions to Jito Prayas. At times it sounds like too much is happening, but then you need to make too much happen. That's the aim. रख हौसला कि वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा, थक हार के न रुकना है मंजिल के मुसाफिर कि मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मिलने का मजा भी आएगा. Like any social initiative, even this one would require a good amount of funds to ensure deliverance. We propose that interested individuals enlist themselves as patrons to this initiative, Jito Prayas, which requires a commitment of rupees 5 lakhs, payable in a convenient schedule of 1 lakh per year for the next 5 years. We have close to 25 people who have already enlisted themselves as patrons to Jeeto Prayas. Anyone else who is interested could give your names to Manish Mardi on the desk here, and we'll make note of that. We are also releasing an information booklet on the scheme. May I please request Shri Satish Bhai Parekh, Secretary General Jeeto Apex, and Shri Ashok Bhai Shah, Vice President Jeeto Apex, to please come forward and release the booklet on this initiative of Jeeto Chennai chapter, which we call Jeeto Prayas. May I request our chairman, Shri Narendra Shishimal, also to please accompany to the dais. Thank you, sirs. Next in line of our announcements, we are also glad to announce that we have entered into a tie-up with ITC Hotels to provide special corporate rates exclusively for Jeeto members of all chapters across India. And these exclusive rates are available for all the properties of ITC across India. We are pleased to announce that all Jeeto members all over India shall be entitled to a free membership of the ITC Club Silver Card, which entitles you to a host of privileges and benefits. May I request Shri Dheeraj Ji Kothari, Treasurer Jeeto Apex, and Shri Hemant Bhai Shah, Secretary Jeeto Apex, to please come forward to release the booklet. Would also request Shri Sumit Suri of ITC to join and receive the first copy. Narendra sir, if you could please escort them. Shri Sumit Suri will also be doing a token handing over of the ITC Club Silver Card. Our chairman, Shri Narendra Shishimal, will be receiving it. At Jeeto Chennai chapter, we've lined up a host of events in the coming year, and we only thought it would be appropriate to come out with a calendar which shall keep all our members informed and enable them to plan accordingly, so that we can have an effective and maximum participation as well. May I call on Shri Gautamji Oswal, Secretary Jeeto Apex, Shri Daulatji Jain, Zone Chairman, TNAP Zone, to please come forward and release our event calendar for the year. Ramesh Dugar.